The Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper is an exceptional kitchen tool that brings versatility and efficiency to your meal prep. With its impressive array of features and multiple blades, this chopper makes slicing, dicing, and chopping a breeze, transforming your kitchen experience. This multifunctional chopper includes 8 different blades, each designed to tackle a variety of cutting tasks. Whether you need to chop onions, slice eggs, or create perfect French fries, the Mueller Pro-Series has you covered. The included blades make it easy to handle a wide range of vegetables and fruits, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this chopper is its built-in container. As you chop and slice, the container collects your vegetables, minimizing mess and making cleanup easier. The container's design allows for efficient food storage, ensuring that your ingredients are ready for cooking or serving. The Mueller Pro-Series also excels in safety and ease of use. The chopper is equipped with a non-slip base, which keeps it securely in place during use. Additionally, the ergonomic design and easy-to-handle components ensure that you can use the chopper comfortably, reducing hand strain and improving overall efficiency. The chopper's French fry cutter and potato slicer are particularly noteworthy, offering a quick and effective way to prepare homemade fries or slices for various recipes. This feature adds to the chopper's versatility, making it a valuable tool for creating a wide range of dishes. The white sand and green color combination of the Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Its compact design ensures it fits neatly in your kitchen space, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. In summary, the Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper stands out for its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly design. With its multiple blades and built-in container, it simplifies meal prep and enhances your cooking experience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mueller Pro-Series. Order yours today and enjoy effortless chopping, slicing, and dicing. Click on link.